This is Basement Fire Alarm Test 21. Let's go and look at all the devices today. For the pull station today, we have this Simplex 4251-20 underneath an STI stopper 2. As you can see, the horn is on today. Up above there, we have a Simplex, what is this, 2901-9838 on a 4903-9501 strobe plate. That sounds right. Smoke detector is the same, but I'm not testing that. Alright, here we go. That stopper is very annoying. So that is the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.